my YT homies, it's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. And in this video, yes, your girl is cranking out another tutorial. I am going to show you guys this quick and easy look. Now, let me just say that I started off trying to do a Christmas look because today is Christmas, and oh yeah, Merry Christmas to you all. This video will go up after Christmas, but I just want to tell you guys Merry Christmas from my family to yours. And so this is like the third look I tried to do. I tried to do a couple of other looks. They weren't coming out like I wanted them to come out. I did a thing where I started with one eye, and so when I start this video, you'll see one eye is pretty much already complete because I was just trying to see
like what I want to do or direction I wanted to go and all that good jazz.
And as you guys can see, I am rocking this straight wig again from Love Me Hair. Y'all, I think I'm going to order a headband wig from another company just to see how it fits, because a lot of people are sending me messages on Instagram and things like that about their headband wigs, and I think I figured out what the problem is with people and the headband wigs, because they are kind of like snug, and a lot of people are feeling like the bands or the head thing part is too little, but it's not. You just gotta. Anyway, I'm not an expert on wigs, but I think I've figured out the problem with people with the headband wigs. So just because Love Me Hair, the first one I ordered from Love Me Hair, I spent my own coins, and y'all know they sent me this. So that people won't say, oh, mine is such and such because they sent it to me. That's why I want to try one from another company. I may order one from Amazon because I see people ordering them from Amazon, something that I won't have to spend a whole lot of money on because I will be spending my own coins. So yeah, with that being said, I don't even know why I went into that tangent about the wig, but if you would like to see this quick and easy look that I created, then please continue to watch. I'm using 3 palettes to do this look. So the first palette I am using, and I really didn't need 3 palettes, but why not? Why not? Box of crayons. From this palette, I'm taking this tan, where's that? Taking this tan color right here. I'm using that in my crease, as well as a little bit of this brown color. Now I'm taking this big fluffy brush. It's A23. It's an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It is like super duper big and fluffy. Put a little tan on here. I'm just gonna go in my crease with it.
You don't know.
And I just go back and forth. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the brown, because at first it was just a tan. So now I'm gonna add the brown to it just to deepen that up a little bit.
Bad man.
And then for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush. Sonia Kashuk brush, and just use my Charlotte Tilbury powder that I normally would use. And I'm just gonna go over my brow bone because I'm not gonna put any shimmer on there to highlight it. So this is what I do. If you're new to my channel, this is what I do, and I'm just trying to set that concealer that I have put on my brow. And then I'm going to go back in the tan color just to make sure that is blended really well. Next, I'm going to go into my Anastasia x Jackie Aina palette. I don't know why the lighting is changing like that. I'm going to use the color Credit, and I'm going to take this brush, which is a eye brush 09 eye brush from Sedona Lace. And I'm just going to take Credit, get some of that on there, and I'm just going to put this in my outer V. And I'm going to take it up into my crease a bit as well, and just blend that color in. Y'all, I need to blend a little bit more over here. I see. Girl, fix that right on up. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that in.
It's a bad man.
Not taking it all the way over in there, but about halfway across my crease. And then of course I'm going to go back with that big fluffy brush I started off with and get a little bit more of this tan color and just go in there and blend those two together to make that seamless. And then I'm going to take a palette that is very, very new to me. Just recently got it, and that is the Anastasia Riviera palette. I'm going to take these 2 colors, Coastline and Estate, these 2 colors right here. This is Estate and this is Coastline. And I'm going to take those 2 colors and use this, what is this? Just Dome eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. if I'm not mistaken. I think this is an e.l.f. brush. Is this an e.l.f. brush? I'm not sure, but it's just a regular dome eyeshadow brush. All brands have these, and I'm just gonna take this and I'm going to go back and forth. Like, when I say back and forth, I mean like I'm going to dip into Coastline, and then I'm going to dip into Estate. I'm just gonna go back and forth, dipping into both of them until I get this the way that I want it.
That thing where I go feel down. The way you back it up.
And then back and forth, like I said, into both of them, just to get this how I want it.
The way you bustin' at the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
And then I'm going to go back into the brush that I used for credit, and I'm going to pull a credit one more time, well, possibly more than one time, and I'm just going to put it over here to bring those two together, to make sure to get rid of any lines of demarcation so they could look seamless. I'm gonna go up on top of my lid and kind of blend those two together. And then if I see that I want some more, I'll go back into Estate or Coastline, whichever one I want. This time I did Estate. Just got a little bit more of Estate and brought it in, bring it in here. And then go back with that brush. Sometimes you have to kind of go back and forth, and you just can't rush with the eye. Because I do it too, so I know a lot of times we're just like, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this eye, but sometimes you got to get it like you want it. So I think that is where I want it to be. Yeah. So now let's go ahead and get with the rest of the face.
And I'ma give you anything you want. And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you. And I'ma give you anything you want. And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental, even the one time. It's okay. Bad man, see take you there. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby oh. His body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing. Yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bustin' at the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. I'm auto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad hunting, they take you there. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up.
Ladies and gentlemen, so I definitely hope you enjoyed the look. To my returning subscribers, to my ODs, to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning for another video. And if you are new here on my channel and new here to watching videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't just watch and then turn around and come back and see if you can find another video for me. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. That was so cheesy. And yeah, so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.